Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you go for more cleaning motivation weekly. In today's video, I'm running around with my head cut off practically to get the kitchen and living room clean before a busy day at work. And be sure to stay till the end of the video to find out how to enter to win a $20 Amazon gift card for my 100 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much. If you are one of my 100 and beyond, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so excited to be on this YouTube journey and I invite you all to be a part of my family. So let's get into cleaning and I will go over how to enter to win in just a little bit. I am first starting in the kitchen. I'm all out of order. I'm trying to just get as much done as possible. So I'm just running around decluttering. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's not the best and the angles are not the best. I had workers working on our big windows. They needed to seal them and it was really awkward. I had my tripod set up and I didn't realize they could see right through me or right through the window on the top. And so I just felt really awkward and weird, you know, being that girl filming herself cleaning her kitchen. It's a little strange to most people. But I am taking my Mrs. Meyer's lilac spray. It's my favorite spray. I have it in the hand soap as well, which makes my hands feel so soft and they smell so good for so long. And when I use this spray, I can smell it in the house the whole day. Like, it is such a good smell. I don't know what I was doing with the lemon verbena, which is good too, but this is just so much better in my opinion. Now I'm giving everything a quick vacuum and I'm just going over the rugs, and I really just trip up over the rugs all the time. But I'm vacuuming like crazy all the time. I don't always remove the rugs, but then I actually do end up removing the rugs and mopping later on. But there were so many crumbs on them. I needed to get them vacuumed as well. Also, I was going to mention, so I do have a link below. If you click that link and go to Grove Collaborative, they will give you a free 5-piece set when you purchase an order. And that's how I started with Grove, and I could not have been more impressed. I will link my video below of my review and the products that I got in my very first order. I put it off for so long, and I'm really kicking myself for it because you spend like the same amount. When you find snacks in your couch. You spend the same amount, but you get better products. They're delivered right to your door. So many people have coupon codes. You can get discounts like crazy. They're constantly giving free gifts. I genuinely do like that brand and company. then I am continuing to use it from here on out. It is just genius, and I so appreciate them, and I appreciate all the influencers who talk about them and promote their products, because it helps us all learn how to be more eco-friendly and also safe and clean for our family. So for my floors, I'm using the Method Squirt and Mop. I believe it's citrus ginger or lemon ginger, something like that. It has a very mild, clean scent. I really do like it. And then for the mop, I have a steam mop that comes with a microfiber cloth, and I'm just using that on my Swiffer, and I soaked it in warm water, wrung it out, and then that way there's no like sticky residue. Even though the Squirt and Mop says that it doesn't leave a sticky residue, I find that it kind of does if it's super concentrated, and I think it helps just move everything around. So that's how I prefer to do it. And I also got that tip from Brianna Kay and her channel, which if you haven't checked her out, where are you even at? Because she's great and like one of the creators of these cleaning videos. She's inspiration to so many people. So check her out if you haven't already. Let her know I sent you. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish up mopping, and then I'm gonna go into telling you how you can win a $20 gift card. I already have the gift card. I am just waiting to find my winner and send it out. So be sure to register to win. Good luck. Okay, again, thank you so much for helping me get to 100 subscribers. Such a big milestone for me. But let's get into the rules to enter the giveaway. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. Please comment down below of your favorite cleaning product. Number 3, go follow me on Instagram. I have it linked below. And like my 100 subscriber giveaway post. And good luck! I'll see you there.